Hey guys, tonight, in honor of Christmas, I thought it would be really cool if I showed you how to make Grandma Zerbo's famous breaded broccoli. It doesn't take much to make, but you're gonna freaking love it. First, we'll start with the ingredients. Obviously broccoli, the eggs, breadcrumbs, a little Parmesan cheese, salt, and a little garlic. I'm gonna use vegetable oil today, but obviously use the frying oil of your choice. Boil a pot of water so you can cook the broccoli. Spear is about this big. Okay. Usually if you cut the stalk off, they just cut like this. Okay, so now you got them all cut up and you're gonna come over here and boil them. So I have this water boiling here. There's salt in it. And you're gonna boil it for 4 minutes. While those are boiling, I'm gonna start setting my bowls. Put the first one, I'm just gonna scramble some eggs. The second one, we're gonna put breadcrumbs. It's mostly breadcrumbs. And then you're just gonna put a little bit of Parmesan cheese, a little bit of garlic, nothing crazy, and a little bit sea salt. Again, nothing crazy with those. You just mix it all up. Now we just start breading them like chicken cutlets. Sparky, you want some broccoli? Okay, so now you have your breaded broccoli. One last step is to come over here and fry them. And you just want to get them to their light brown. They'll darken up a little more after you take them out. There you go. Delicious Grandma Zerbo's breaded broccoli. You serve on Christmas. Hope you like it. Let me know in the comments what you think.